everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. It really helps, and if you have, thank you so much. And let's continue. Now in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to work on how to two primary ways to disable your camera in Windows. How to disable your camera in Windows. We're going to look at two primary ways. Now the first way is to disable camera access for every single app. The second way is to disable camera access for individual apps. So let's start with disabling camera access for all apps. If you want to do this, the first thing is open the settings app by pressing down Windows and the I button at the same time, the keys on the keyboard, and then the next thing you're going to do is go to privacy and security. In this case, in my case, I simply go to privacy, click on it, and the next thing you're going to do is over here on the app permission on the left menu, you see camera. Click on camera, and the next thing I'm going to do, you can toggle the switch off here. Allow apps to access my camera, simply turn it off. I can do that because I'm screen recording right now. So if I turn that off, every single app will not have access to the camera. Now that is how to do it to disable camera access for all apps. But if you don't want to disable camera access for individual apps, for maybe a particular app, then all you have to do is leave this turned on. Then you go down here and you can see the apps that want access to your camera and simply turn them off or on. For example, I can turn this off. I don't want the feedback hub to have access to my camera. I can turn off Skype. I don't want Skype to have access to my camera. It's as simple as that. So that's it. Let me give you additional tips. Please regularly review the list of apps that have permission to access your camera. If you see any suspicious app, deny them access immediately. Then disable camera in device manager. This is a more drastic method. Yes. Now if you want to disable camera in device manager, let me show you how. Let's go. First of all, you search for device manager from our start menu here. Search bar. Let's start for device manager. It's a more drastic method. Click on open, and the next thing we're going to do is to expand imaging devices. There we go. Let's look for imaging devices. Okay, I don't know with my eyes, but I can see imaging devices. Can you? Well, we're trying to expand it to get to camera anyway. So this is our camera here. So you have to click on camera, double click on it. Well, it seems for whatever reason I'm not allowed to do this. I guess for security reasons. But in case you're allowed, let me explain to you how it's done. The first thing you do is you click on expanding imaging devices. That is, you click on imaging devices, it will expand and show you some options. Then you right click on your camera and select. Oh wait, I'm supposed to right click, not double click. That was why. Double click, right click, not double click. So this is right click, and I have properties, and there's nothing there. Weird. But normally, when you right click on your image, when you right click on the camera, you will see the option for disable device. Maybe because I'm using it, I suspect so. So when you do that, when you right click on your camera, select disable device. Then when you're prompted, do you want to do this? For confirmation, click on confirm. But note that this completely disables the camera hardware. So you need to re-enable it if you want to use it again. Like I said, drastic. Anyway, follow these steps and you can be able to control which apps have access to camera and protect your privacy. I do not advise this last method of disabling the camera, this drastic method. I do not advise it at all. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. You have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.